ለምንድነው ሃፒ ማዘርስ ዴይ ያላልከኝ? ለምንድነው ሃፒ ማዘርስ ዴይ ያላልከኝ? ቴንክ ዩ ለፊውቸር ነው ሃፒ ማዘርስ ዴይ ማስኩለው። Hello everybody. Baby, say hi. Hi. Oh, ቀስ ብሎ ነው hi የሚለው. Today, actually in a video መስራው one is for my mom, happy Mother's Day, and your D2 because she was asking for it. And the best part is, you know, today my fiance decided to join us, not visually but like badims. So what I'm going to do is like how much ነገሮች cost እንደሚያደርጉ, right? Sir? and ስሙን ጠይቃለሁ. So we'll see like አበሻ ወንዶች ሜካፕ ያውቃሉ አያውቁም? Well, I abuse mine, so probably ያውቃል. Okay, so I am going to start with this product, baby. Hey, መጀመሪያው product ነው. What's the name of this? Concealer. Like a moisturizer. Your skin already is like in danger, sir. I don't think you're meant to do this video. Okay, so we always start by moisturizer argan jamran. It could be anything, it could be Aveeno. What else? Oh, they have a good moisturizer. Okay, now let's eat a baby. Sint bir no meow, I moisturizer. Sint bir yonal bilataso. It's Drunk Elephant, by the way. And it is their protein polypeptide moisturizer. So sint bir? 25. And the answer is Drunk Elephant, silsasament bir. Sorry. Okay, silsasament. Okay, now we're gonna go with, hey baby, like into no. Like I always tell you to put it on. I always tell people to put it on. Hyperpigmentation, cancer, skin cancer. So please, moisturizer bala. Put your, sir, what is this?
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Yes. So the best part about this sunscreen is wustu primer allo. So ለብቻው primer መግዛት አያስፈልግም because primer, the good thing about primer is foundation ስናደርግ በደንብ apply smoothly and then more እንዲቆይ ያደርጋል. So how much would you think this is? 35. Okay, and the answer is Murad retails for okay. Alright. And then next up, so now we're gonna go off and we got the little demo. Hey. Oh! This! Okay, so foundation, baby. This is Dior. So if this is Dior foundation, and I wear shade 4W, so suit matter, I don't know pricing, but how much do you think this foundation is? Samanya. It is $52. Alright. Oh, did I even put my primer on? Oh my god. I don't think I put this. Ikarta. That was a technical difficulty. So foundation. Hey, foundation, the good part is it's very light. It's not one of those things sitaragut but I'm a makeup fitachu like, you know, like MAC has like an amazing coverage. Can you know, like you put something on your face. Hey, like it's your skin but better skin. And the one thing that I learned, foundation marag, instead of like dragging it with a touch like kamagutet, so step on marag and this is taragut, it's better. It gives you that clear your complexion. Sorry, yes, I'm not looking towards the Yatamarka. And then blend sitaragu, please, like, you know, you can go ahead and blend kangata chusar zigamram. So like let different color and dino. I think the best place is Sephora foundation. If you don't like it, you can return it. And the best part is like every time you like something, they can give you a small sample. Like land and then depending on your skin tone that you end up buying it. If not, then you don't have to even waste the product. Okay, so now completely blend taragachu't bohala. You will add, let me see, okay, your turn. It's your time. So this, mindino sumo. So thought like, oh god, you look crazy. So I would put it under my eye, like no style, like this is how it starts. Like, oh my, what? This, you call this an eyeshadow? It goes under my eye. That is the concealer. Yes, yes. That's like the only thing that you know about though. You need no concealer too. Okay. So you don't have to put ብዙ concealer ማድረግ የለባችሁም. I think ትንሽ should do fine. So yeah, concealer what it does is like አይናችሁ ስር ጥቁር እንትን, you know, ሳትተኙ ምናምን, you know, if you're the type of person that parties too much and then the next day you have an event and ከአይናችሁ ስር ተጠቆረ, or anyways brighten ለማድረግ ተፈለጋችሁ, you would put a concealer and then ትንሽ like not የረጠበ sponge ሳይሆን like damp, ምንድነው damp? ከርጥብ ያነሰ ደረቅ ባልሆነ ስፖንጅ I don't think የራሰ የሱ ምን እንደሆነ ይሄ ስሙ it's called beauty blender. So baby ስንት ብር የሚሆን ይመስላል? ይላል this I bought it for 20. So in the foundation like ወደ ውስጥ እንደዚህ like we just pat it in to pat it. ግን I think እየተሻሻልኩ ነው ዋጋ ላይ okay. So now that my concealer በደንብ blend ታረግነው በኋላ what we're going to do is we can set it with any kind of like setting powder መጠቀም እንችላለን. And I think I'm going to skip it, but for the sake of the video, baby, this is Fenty Pro Filter. It's amazing. Like, you know, crease ምናምን እንዳረጋል አይነት ስንት ብር ይመስልሃል? Fenty is your wife, baby. Hamsa bir. And Sephora website says it is $35. The next up, is the Charlotte Tilbury Amazing Simal Taram. So Sumak Alabet, like the palette color spectrum was really good. It's my favorite. It applies but I'm smoothly. It's not like Leila and eyeshadow, you know, blend Taragacha blend daragim. This is really amazing. Tra. Okay. Sumumana here.
Eyeshadow.
Wow. Okay, eyeshadow, and then look how beautiful that package is, sir. So like you can guess into the color, the Too Faced palette, Cocoa Truffle right here. So you can use this as Zila and Dalla. So ይሄኛውን እንዳለ አይናችን ላይ እናደርጋለን. So it would be a transition color. Then we can go back to the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow foundation, and I'm going to use the shade Enhance. This is going to be a very simple eye look, like it's not cut crease and I'm not alone. I'm trying to get this most Beca, but I'm simply on an eye because my boyfriend is very impatient. Right, sir? That was not meant to be a question. Today, no lashes, no nothing. We're just gonna keep it simple. ምንድነው ይሄ ስሙ? So like you know wing የምሰራበት ነገር ነው። This is an eyeliner, okay, and I'm using the eyeliner by Too Faced. It's called Better Than Sex. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wing on, and then I'll be back. So I went away from the camera, and then wing eyeliner አረኩኝ. So ስንት ብር ይመስላል? wing eyeliner ስንት ብር ይመስላል? 10 ብር, and I think I bought it for like, this actually retails ለ21 ብር from Sephora, okay? So once we put eyeliner-አችንን ታረግን በኋላ ይሄ ምንድነው አይነ ላይ so more like so ይሄ ምንድነው የሚያደርገው more ቅንድብ ይሰጣል እንትን ልስጥ ኦፕሽኖች ልስጥ okay, would it be a concealer, a foundation, a mascara, an eyeliner? Oh, sir, I'm attracted. Mirror really ወድቅ ነበርና በጣም ተሳሳተ. But I'm simple. I look no ብዙ አይጠይቅም. It's really really easy. Now almost እየጨረስን ነው. ከዚህ በኋላ once we put everything ይሄ ምን ይመስላል? So ከኔ ሼድ በጣም like you know የጠቆረ ነው. No, it's called a bronzer usually. ይሄንን ስለዚህ አላስተማርኩም. So the bronzer usually foundation usually በጣም like ፊታችሁን በጣም blank ያደርገዋል. dimension እንትን ይጨምራል. have to do you know በጣም እንጀራ እንድቀንጠላችሁ ዳቦ ምናምን. This is how you cheat the guys, okay? So like it kind of like sculpt your face. Can't even see. And then ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ ጆ ላይ ያላችሁን you do your jawline, easy breezy, almost done kind of situation. You see how easy this is, sir? Oh damn, ስንት ብር ይመስላል ይሄ? So the Beca is $38, okay? And then finally we'll put a blush so you can have like you know ቺካችሁን ትንሽ ቀላቀላለማ ብላችሁ blush brush ታረጋላችሁ. And you pick just a little bit and okay, hey, since bari masala. Look, packaging guni. This is Natasha Denona. What do you think we're looking at? I bought it. It's $55 actually. Alright, well, this is the final look. I am pretty sure this is very simple. Okay, you think makeup is expensive. Like, you already know I spend crazy money on Sephora. I take it. So, but in that subcon in them really expensive? No, is it too much? What do you think?
It's expensive.
Like, it's really unacceptably like expensive?
It's expensive.
Okay, so Yazare makeup. Actually, it's eyeliner includes salarig. It cost $464. That's too much. No,
it's on your face.
Yeah, to put on my face. Like, it doesn't matter. Do I look flawless? Do you like me now? Darling, you do. Well, but thank you for watching. Maybe next time, class I will release one more video. Hopefully, finger crossed.